My name is Peter Patterson, and I am currently living in Australia. And I needed to come to Apollo in Mumbai because I was in need of a total knee replacement. Dr. Prashant Agrawal, who is the specialist who consulted with me, talked me through the whole operation. He then carried out the operation, which has been a total success. The staff in the hospital and the nursing and the care that we've received has been fantastic, and I couldn't have wished for a better outcome from the whole thing. And I'd like to thank all the staff and everybody concerned who helped us through this journey, and look forward to going back to Australia and showing all my friends just how good it is.
This patient, Mr. Peter Patterson, had a right knee osteoarthritis. We did a knee replacement surgery in the robotic way, and post-operatively recovery was very fast. Very next day he started walking, moving around, and physiotherapy also started. Patient recovered freely, and he's flying back to knee replacement is a gold standard for arthritis of knee, and if it is done with robot, recovery is very fast and smooth, and patient can start doing activities very early.